All right, ended up, I got the ARB twin compressor. Didn't like where the chuck was, so I ended up moving that. I basically purchased the remote hose coupling mount kit. So what I did was, ARB was out of this 1 meter hose. All they had was a 2 meter, and that was just too long. So I ended up purchasing a hydraulic braided hose with a 1/4 inch MPT connector. So basically, you have this connection to the 1/4 inch. That's the ARB 90-degree elbow that I had. Came with a kit, which was this kit. Basically attached the hose, ran it down, ran it through the engine compartment, pushed it through, came down here, got it away from the the steering, and then zip tied it here, ran it through, past the shock tower, behind the shock tower, put some pretty good tension on it. So, and then I just zip tied it here, and then I relocated it right here. So essentially, I want air run up, connect the air hose from right here instead of having to actually pop the hood and everything like that. And then of course, I've got it where it turns on right here, down here in my console. Sorry for the light, but you can't really see it, but got it hooked in to my power outlet, so I don't have to run the engine. And I essentially run it right here, put all the tires up. I did purchase the kit that comes with it, so you got the air hose, everything like that. I'll probably end up getting a digital air gauge, so that way I can see when I fill my tires up. I know there's a lot of different modifications out there, but to be honest with you, the only reason why I did this is I just didn't want to pop the hood. I think I got a leak somewhere. Gotta fix that. But that's essentially it. Appreciate you for watching. Thanks.